Hello smart money traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Junior FX here. So in this video I'll be talking about how to know your market directional bias so you won't find it difficult whenever you come close to your chart. So let's get into it. So what is directional bias? Directional bias in forex markets is basically the current order flow of the market and also the price movement that shows whether the price wants to go up, which is bullish, or the market wants to go down, which is bearish, or it wants to range, which is sideways. So basically we have three different types of market directional bias. So the first one, we have what we call uptrend, downtrend, and ranging markets. So the first one is called uptrend. Uptrend. You have uptrend, and we also have downtrend. You have downtrend, and the third one is the ranging market. So I'll be sketching it here and I will show the example on the chart as well. So uptrend is basically the market creating series of higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher lows, and higher high. So this is what we know as uptrend. Okay, yeah, market creating series of higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. So in the opposite way, downtrend is basically where market creates lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So this is basically a downtrend. This is basically market creating lower high, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. So the third one is ranging market, where market does something like higher high, come back to the higher low, go back to the higher high, go back to the higher low, like something like this. It simply means when market has no direction, it moves up and comes down, it goes up and comes down. This is basically ranging market. So let's check it out on the chart and let me show you examples of the trend on the chart. So let's go. All right, you can see from here we're having a downtrend from here. So basically what's happened now is market does something like this. It creates a higher high. Market created a higher high over here, and it's created, after this higher high, it retraced and created a lower low. So after that, market shifted structure right here. So my next video I'll be talking about market structure shift and break of structure in my next video. So as we said, this is an example of markets ranging upward, which is uptrend on the chart. It's simply when market creates a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher lows, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and so on. This indicates that market is currently heading upward. So we have talked about the first one, which is the uptrend. So now let's talk about the downtrend. Let me show you an example of downtrend on the chart. So this is an example of a downtrend. So basically when market gets to this high, it changes direction and began the downtrend. We have markets creating series of lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. So it continues like that till it gets to here. The market changes direction. We've talked about uptrend and downtrend. Now it remains the ranging market. What does ranging market means? Ranging market means when market doesn't have a specific direction. It's just move from up to down, down to up to down. Let me show you an example of what a ranging market looks like. You can see it has higher low here, lower low, higher low, lower low. Then it starts creating a higher high, higher low, higher high. You can see it moves from point A to point B, from point B back to point A. Like, look at it. You can see the market doesn't have a specific direction right here. So this is what we call ranging markets. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and if you got some value tips from this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell so YouTube can notify you whenever I drop a new video on my YouTube channel. And if you got any question you want to ask, or you have a specific topic you want me to talk about, kindly do well to drop it in the comment section below. Catch you in the next one. Bye.